Good afternoon. My name is James Dunham and I'm an EDM student at the University of South Alabama. And today I'm going to demonstrate a few basic techniques that you can use on the Smartboard. I'm not that familiar with the Smartboard, but hopefully with practice using it more and more I'll get more efficient with it. But I'm just going to go over a few basic steps that you can do on the Smartboard. The first thing we're going to do is turn it on, hit the power button. It's going to take a few seconds for it to warm up. There he goes. Okay, then we're going to have to, once it comes up, we're going to have to calibrate it. Calibrate it to your touch so it'll work for you. Okay, then we're going to hit the button here on the tray panel. It's going to pull up the icon to calibrate. We're going to hit the center target of that icon, and then we'll have to hit each target on the screen in the center, like so. Okay, now we have it calibrated. Now we can work with text. First we want to hit the Smartboard, pull it up. And there's several different ways you can use text. You can use your pen off of your tray panel and write. You can also hit the pen icon up there and write with your finger. We can also take this text, say you have a student that doesn't have very good handwriting and they're writing something on the board and you want to convert it to where it's neater on text. You can highlight it, hit the recognize all, and it'll change it to a text. You can also clone hitting the clone.
And if you'll just speak up just a little bit, Mr. Jim.
Or you can also hit infinite cloner and make several different ones, as many as you want. Okay. Then say you want to start all over and start a new page, you can hit File and hit New. If you don't want to save the changes, hit No, and it'll bring you up a blank screen. So you can also work with objects, shapes. It'll pull up all different kinds of shapes: hearts, stars, squares, triangles. You may want to use this in a math class, geometry. We're going to pull up a heart. We hit the heart icon, and then take our finger and we can draw a heart. Say we want to put that heart inside a square, we hit that square icon, draw a square. Okay, and then say we want to fill in that square. We're going to touch the arrow button up there and then touch our square. Change that to green. Actually, I covered the whole screen. Let's see.
And this is an awesome learning opportunity for anybody who's new to elementary shapes. Is the square is only the line. It's not the space in between or the space on the outside. So whenever you're using the tool and you want to select an object, you have to actually touch the line for where that is, and it will select the entire object. Good idea. We'll start fresh.
And then we have the square green. Then if we want to make the square disappear and reveal the heart, we can hit object emanation, and we can make it fade out. Like so. We can also go under our gallery, which is this picture here. Looks like a painting maybe in an art museum. Hit that icon there and it pulls up all kinds of tools you can use. We'll hit this interactive multimedia and click on this abacus, and we can drag the abacus onto our screen. Now we have a tool that we can use. This counts. Hit these. Then we have 11,100 art. It's got tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. It's a tool you might want to use to help your math students. Get this icon up here. You can separate it, make it into 2 pages. And then say we want to take a picture of this abacus and add a link to the separate, save the item into an ink layer. We took a picture of the abacus on the second page.
And with that, it looks like you have demonstrated proficiency on the Smartboard by going through all the steps that are required by EDM 310. Thanks, Jim.
Thank you.